Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Lobilin Busito, 33 years old. I live in Quezon City, Philippines. I am single parents. I have one son who's 11 years old and a high school graduate.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
My mother and my father will taking care of my son while I'm working in Hong Kong.
It says to your bio data that you are ex-abroad. Please tell us your duties and responsibilities there.
I am ex-abroad from Bahrain. My main duties there is taking care of baby, wash clothes and dishes, ironing, cleaning in the house, and wash dishes.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to support my family and I want to save the money for my studies of my son.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my best and I will treat your family as my family too, and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.